gills. Our card. It scared me. I was like, hi guys, the lighting's really bad, but it's like too much and I can't, I just can't breathe. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a mask. I remembered I made cards a long time ago, and then I opened the box and I made so many cards and I completely forgot about them. This one says open 10 years in the future. Look at the handwriting. Oh my god. This is in 2017. This is 3 years ago. Isn't that crazy? Look at these. And I found one that says open when you turn 18. Let's open it. I can't believe I didn't see this. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, I made a full-out note. This was on June 6, 2017. Look at my handwriting. Hello, happy birthday. You're now 18. So what are you going to do? Some goals I have are to stop procrastinating, have better handwriting, and to have all A's. But the main thing I want to let you know is that you should have fun. Stop worrying so much. Relax! Exclamation point. Stressing out too much will give you wrinkles. And then in parentheses, I'm like, not like that really should matter. The little heart. And then I signed it even with the time I made it. Okay, I just wanted to show you something. You guys should do this too. Write some letters. Like here, I'll show you the other when I'm bored. This one says happy birthday. And the last one says when you need to laugh. Just like, that's so cool. If you guys have time, especially during quarantine, you should try doing this. Kit Kat that I've never seen before. There's yuzu matcha, sakura mochi. Oh, this is ichigo daifuku. Let's try that. I like this one. This is the ichigo daifuku. I'm not sure where they got strawberry from though. This one is yuzu matcha. I love matcha. Didn't know. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, we should eat all at once. We already ate it. I'll go with Abigail. Ready, Abigail? 3, 2, 1. Mmm. I like all of them. I like all Kit Kat. Okay, bye. Oh, it's not running. Hi everyone. Today I'm making pasta. Okay, I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. What? Oh my god. Someone's excited. Hey, Abs. Ah. Oh, thanks, Abs. The pasta is done. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna clean my room. Yes. I've been feeling pretty unmotivated lately, so I thought a nice cleaning would do a good job. Let's go! Hi everyone, I haven't had a treatment spa day in a while, so I'm just gonna do one right now. I'm gonna use the Indian Healing Clay mask, and yeah, I'm only using like just a little bit because I'm only gonna put it like around my T-zone. I don't even know if I'm in frame. My camera doesn't have a flip screen, so I have no idea what I'm seeing right now or what you're seeing right now. I have that much in here. I'm just gonna add a little water. That was not a little water, that was way too much. Oh my god. I'm gonna make a bath and then we'll do a scrub and then we'll do a face mask and it'll be fun. So my skin is kind of sensitive, so I made it more watery. Then I'm just gonna apply it on my nose. This is just a normal paintbrush, by the way, but I didn't use it for paint before, so it's fine. On my cheeks, around my nose, and then on my chin. Okay, the thing about this mask, it feels really uncomfortable, so I'm just gonna make the bath right now, and then, yeah. I'll have to waste so much. So you only need a little bit. Okay, hi everyone. I can barely move my face. This is just a bath caddy. Yeah, we got this not that long ago, and I want to try it out. Oh, what is this else do? Oh, there's cable ties. Seriously? Hold on, just a minute. Oh, this is it. You can put your book on here. I'm just gonna use a bath bomb. I think I got this at Target or something. It's the last one, so I'll use this. It's papaya nectar. That smells good. Then, lastly, I'll use a body scrub. I'm also gonna read a book. It's called The Sisters Grimm, The Fairy Tale Detective. It's the first one in the series. I haven't read this one in years, and this is the one I've been reading earlier when I was back at the lake. Am I even framed? Oh, so pretty. This guy's always pretty. There's so many bubbles. I should have put this in before, but here's the bath bomb. Look at it fizz. Oh, look at it. Oh, looks like one of those toys. It's gone. I cleaned off the face mask and I washed my face, and then I brushed my teeth. And I'm just wearing this pajamas. It's from Victoria's Secret, but it's thrifted. The lighting is not going to be that good, but I'm not going to show you a detailed video of my skincare yet. I always have different ones for each season, so it really depends on the season. And then if I have time, I do a little massage. So I usually run around 2 miles in the morning. I usually walk and then run. Well, there's the lake. I'm on the bridge. That's it. Whoa, that's a good view. Hi everyone. I'm gonna make cloud bread. You need 3 egg whites. Make sure not to get the egg yolk in there or else it won't whip up. Jeez, what was I doing? I'm gonna whip it till it's frosty. Like this, we're gonna add the cornstarch little by little. This is just 10 grams. Granulated sugar, this is 30 grams. Just little by little. So you know it's done, and then there's stiff peaks. Like that. So it's good. I'm just gonna place it on the tray now. Like that. It's my first time making it. I don't even know what it tastes like. Whoa! I'm just gonna smooth it down. I'm gonna try to make it as round as possible. Look at this. It looks like a cloud, doesn't it? Wow. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. Oh, look at it. It's so soft. It's kind of stuck, so I'm just gonna remove it.
French fry seasoning.
Ready? Let's open it.
Is there red cayenne in there?
Whoa! Look at it! Oh my gosh!
Where's basil?
Whoa! Look, it's sticking to me. My hair is progressively getting more interesting, but this is what it looks like inside. Well, this is basically meringue, by the way. It's not really a bread. I don't know why they call it a bread, but...
How's it? I want to try. Me too. I want to try it.
Is it good?
My hair's dirty though.
I made a strawberry milk tapioca. So hopefully it tastes good. I don't know what this might taste like. Oh, my abs. Mmm. It tastes good. I decided I'll just show you my skincare routine. I'm only gonna show you the morning skincare routine. If you guys want a nighttime skincare routine, I'll show that in the next vlog. But I'll show you what products I use for the morning. I always start with sunscreen. This is from Purito. It's their Centella Grain Level Safe sunscreen. And I just used that earlier, so I'm not gonna reapply it. When I'm at home, I only apply sunscreen in the morning. Sunscreen's only effective for a couple hours, so really I should be applying it more, but it's fine. I use this one, it's really nice. This is from Laneige, it's their Cream Skin Refiner. Do you see how much I have now? It's not crazy. I use 2 drops every morning and every night. I'm surprised this lasted this long. Then I apply this under my eyes and then around my eyelid. Make sure you're using your ring finger. Your skin is more thin around your eye area. And then I put it on my nose bridge because for some reason it's dry there usually. I don't know why. Also around here, this is also where I have dry spots. Then I put it on my smile lines. And if I have any extra, I just put it on my lips so they're not dry. Also on your neck. If I have any extra skincare, I usually put it on my neck also. Lastly, I'm only using 3 products for the morning. This is CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I use around that much. Then I have the rest on my neck. I've been using the CeraVe one for a couple months, and I like it. It leaves my skin moisturized. And that was it. I only used 3 products for the morning. Okay, I also forgot to mention I use a lip product. This is from Laneige. It's their Lip Glowy Balm in Peach. So technically it's 4 products, not 3 products, but. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I hope you guys have a great day.